Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I figured I'd sit down with you guys, do a little chit chat, get ready with me, trying out Hailey Bieber's strawberry makeup. It's very different than how I do my makeup, so I figured it'd be fun to try with you guys. And I've been wanting to do like a viral makeup routine like this in a while, so I figured today's video would be perfect for that. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe down below so you can see when I upload next. I do all things beauty, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So I watched her little TikTok strawberry talk over makeup video like 20 times to see how she does it, and it's very minimal makeup, which not really used to, but you know, we're gonna give it a go. She has very beautiful skin, so you know, it might be a struggle for me doing the minimal makeup, but we're gonna try it out. She also doesn't like mention specific products, but I'm trying to base it off of what she uses, similar products, and then I might tweak a few things here and there for my preferences. So I'll just insert a clip here real quick of her little TikTok video. This is what I based it off. This is definitely probably routine more for summertime, but I love like a blushy look all year round, so you know what, we're gonna do it in the wintertime. Who cares? So she starts out with her like glazing milk and her peptide fluid, her skincare line, which I didn't know she was the creator of Rhodes Skincare. But I just already moisturized my face with the Paula's Choice Clear Oil-Free Moisturizer. This is great for acne-prone skin. It's really moisturizing. And now I'm gonna go in with like a fluid-like product. She uses like that glazing milk. This isn't like anything similar, but it's like a fluidy like texture. This is the Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid. This has SPF in it, so it might give a little bit of a whiteness, but we just need the extra moisture today. Might add a little bit more because my skin's been really dry. Okay, then she does brows next. Now it looks like she just uses like a brow gel. I have to fill mine in just a little bit with the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen, and then I will set it with a clear brow tint gel just because I don't have as full brows like her, but I will try to keep them more minimal. So are you guys team Hailey or are you team Selena? Like, I didn't know about any of this drama. I've heard one or two things, but I also don't want to cause any drama here. You don't actually have to tell me who you're a fan of, but honestly, didn't really know who Hailey Bieber was until she married Justin. I still didn't know who she was, but until like the whole feud between her and Selena. I do know that I'm pretty sure her and like Kylie said some like really mean things on social media about Selena, which I don't stand for any bullying, but I also don't know the full story of it, but like, come on. Anyways, I love Selena's music. I also love her makeup brand, so I feel like I lean a little bit more towards her, but the Rhodes brand looks really, really nice. I might have to try one of those lip treatments. And now I'm just gonna go in with the brow gel. Okay, my brows are on. I'm actually gonna add another step just because I feel like her face actually matches her tan body where mine just isn't really matching. And I'm also going to put some under eye cream on because my under eyes are really dry and it'll just help. I wish I had perfect skin like hers, but we're going to go in with the Lumi Glow Lotion just to give my face a little more color. Almost out of this. Just to match my body a little bit more and to give like a layer of coverage. I kind of need that. Alright, now we're looking a little more alive like. Now she goes in with a cream bronzer. This might be terrible, but I think I'm going to use the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in Happy Soul just to bronze up the skin. She keeps it higher like on her cheeks, and she also does her forehead. I'm also going to add a little bit to the nose and under the lip. Also, how do you guys feel about short form content? I love YouTube. I love the long form content. I love sitting in front of my camera, saying whatever I want, however long I want it to be, and then edit it on my computer. It's just what I prefer, and I just have been having a hard time trying to do short form, and like, whether it be TikTok or YouTube Shorts, like I just feel really like, I don't know, ick about it, and I also hate filming on my phone. My main focus is YouTube just because it's what I love, and it's what I'm comfortable with, and I just feel like I'm better at it than like short form. But if short form is gonna help me grow a little bit more, should I do it? I don't know. Maybe that should be one of my 2024 New Year's goals, is to do more short form. I don't know. I just have a roadblock in my brain for it, so we'll see. What do you guys think about it? Now she goes in with a little bit of concealer. I am going to use a really light concealer because it looks like hers is nice and light and creamy, and something really close to her skin tone. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Activewear Concealer. This dry sounds pretty quick, so I'm going to work one area at a time. So yeah, maybe I should try to do a little more short form. I don't know. I just don't love it. I don't really follow a lot of celebrities like on social media. I'm not really on social media that much, except for watching like YouTube videos. I don't really follow them. Are you guys really into the celebrities? Some of my friends are like obsessed with like stalking their lives, but for me, I don't know, it's just not my cup of tea. Also, my life is like really busy, I feel like, and I barely have time to go and like stalk celebrities. I don't know, or be on my phone. I don't really like to be on my phone that much. I feel like I'm a true 90s kid. I'm 30, but I was born in the 90s, and I just can't get on the bandwagon of being on my phone all the time. Like, that kind of like drives me nuts. It's not really my thing, being like glued to my phone. I enjoy a lot of things outside of social media and the phone. So right now I'm focused on like my fitness and health, and just, you know, trying to lose some weight and get into a good routine, feel better about myself. And I love to bake. I have lots of plants. I take care of them all the time. I'm always getting new ones. One of my goals for 2024 is to grow my own little bonsai tree. I love bonsai. They're just like the cutest little mini trees. Like, I'm obsessed with them. Like, how can you not be obsessed with them? And I like to spend time with family, hang out with my dog, you know, things where I'm not really glued to the phone. I like to read. You know, it's just really hard for me to be on my phone all the time. Maybe that's why I kind of lean away from short form, because I feel like I do the YouTube stuff, and then like short form I would be on my phone more. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Okay, the next part, she goes in with two cream blushes. They look really liquidy, but I want to use these two shades to get like a strawberry effect. I'm gonna go in with the NUDESTIX Nudies All Over Face Color and Poppy Girl. These are both in the mini. And then this is the ILIA Multi-Stick in At Last. So this is more like a berry mauve, and then this is more like a poppy pink. I figured mixing them together would make a really pretty strawberry color. And we're just gonna layer them. Definitely think blush coming back into the makeup game has been the best thing ever. I've always been a blush person. Just feel like it makes your face look alive. Oh yeah, that's a really pretty color. Also, I love Hailey Bieber's freaking short hair is amazing on her. I had short hair not too long ago, but then I grew it out. But I've been dying to cut my hair super short, but I'm not going to because I worked really hard to grow it back out and get it healthier again. And also, if I, you know, in the upcoming years, I'm hoping to get married. So I want to have long hair for my wedding, which could be, you know, in 2 or 3 years. So I don't really want to cut it anytime soon. But, oh my gosh, if that wasn't a factor, I would cut my hair today. Like the short, cute hairstyles. I just love them. And I think it looks so good on her. I mean, she's beautiful, but like, dang, that looks like good on her. Also, another thing in this makeup look, she doesn't use like any powder products, so that makes me kind of nervous, but we might add that in. All right, I think these paired really, really well together. I think that's like a really pretty strawberry flush. Then she says in the video, she adds a peachy highlighter. I don't really have a peachy highlighter, but I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder and Blossom Glow. I've talked about this many times on my channel. It's just a really pretty icy pink highlighter. I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm just gonna use a little bit. Actually, just gonna blend it on both of my fingers and just a little bit. What do you guys prefer? The latte makeup trend, or do you like more of like the blushy strawberry look? I don't know. I kind of like both. The lighting is like really bad in her video, but next it says she takes bronzer into her crease. I actually have another idea. I've already done this before. I take this amazing mauve blush in this Lorac Pro palette, which I don't even think Lorac exists anymore, but this blush as an eyeshadow is so pretty. So I'm actually going to use that instead. You can obviously do the bronzer in the crease, but I'm going to do this just to show you guys how beautiful it is. Unfortunately, you probably can't get this palette anywhere But if you just get like a very mauve-y, deep, cool toned blush, I think it would be really pretty on the eyelid. So what are some of your New Year's resolutions this year? Let me know down below. I feel like mine is obviously to get more fit, lose some weight. Like, I feel like that's mine every year. Mine is also to spend more time with like friends and like reach out to them more. I feel like lately I've just been in a bubble where I don't want to leave my house. I'm like a hermit. I don't know. I feel like I need to just step out and spend time with them because I just need to fill that bucket. Oh shoot, I don't think I'm supposed to do it underneath my eye, but it just looks weird without it. I'm just gonna do a little. But like, look how pretty that is. First off, thank you to everyone who leaves such nice comments. I feel like that's one of the scariest thing about, you know, putting yourself on social media is the negative or mean or just weird comments from people. But you guys have been so kind and so nice. Like, I'm just like blown away by your guys' kindness and like interest and loving my videos, and you know, it just means so much to me. So thank you so much for all the kind comments. I'm just like surprised that there's not like any mean people recently on my channel, but very thankful for you guys and your sweet comments. Someone also left a comment for me to do like a full get ready with me, which I plan on doing soon, for like probably a date night coming up that I have with Matt. I'm gonna do a full get ready with me, hair, makeup, and maybe an outfit for you guys. So if that's like more of the stuff you want to see, let me know down below. Anything else you want to see, let me know. I would be happy to do, you know, I would be happy to do something that you guys really want to see. Next, she does faux freckles. So I don't have a freckle pen. I'm gonna order a freckle pen because I've been wanting one for a while, but I'm gonna be really brave and try using this NYX Lift and Snatch brow tint pen. I'm gonna use the Ash one and just try a little bit of freckles. Kind of works. I don't know. I already have like freckles and moles, so I don't need a lot of this. Also, it's probably not the right undertone, but kind of works. I guess I just need to do more. Oops. Oh, it's just gonna look like weird ass spots on my face. Like I got mud splattered or something because it's not the right undertone, but that's okay. We'll just do a few. Do a few more on the nose. Oops, that was not a dot. That's the problem with this. I feel like the freckle pen would work better because it's probably not flimsy. Yeah, kind of cute, right? Kind of cute. We like it. Definitely want to get a freckle pen because I feel like that's a really fun trend. So cute. I love that freckles are like so in now, you know. I just think it's like really fun to embrace like your natural beauty. Okay, she also does a brown like tiny liquid eyeliner. Now I only have black, but I want to try using the NYX brow tint pen and just doing a baby one in the shade Brunette. Also like really terrible at baby wings. Actually looks really cute. Let's see if I can replicate it. Probably not. It actually worked. Woohoo! Curl lashes, and then she uses brown mascara. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna go in with the YSL Lash Clash mascara in brown. I haven't curled my lashes in a minute. I just stopped doing it because I just felt like I was ripping out my eyelashes, or some would just get like crinkled in like the weirdest direction. See, they fall out when I curl my lashes. It's the weirdest thing. But my lashes already have a pretty good lift and curl naturally, so I can get away with not curling them. What has been your favorite trend of makeup so far? What has been my favorite trend? I don't really know. I can tell you I've been loving brown mascara and like brown eyeliners. I do need to get like a liquid brown eyeliner because I just love brown on the eyes. I just think it's softer and not as harsh, at least for my like skin tone and eye color. We're getting there. It's actually looking pretty good for minimal makeup. All right, so she uses like a natural tone lip liner, and then she uses the cream blushes that she used on her face for her lips, and then she uses her Rhodes lip treatment, which I don't have. So a natural color for me, I'm gonna go in with a Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheap lip liner in Iconic Nude, and then she like buffs it out with her finger. I'm gonna try with the ILIA first for the cream blush and just tapping it. Both of these products are supposed to be multi-use. That's pretty. but definitely I'm gonna need the poppy one. Only thing about this nude stick, it smells like a crayon. Crayon. I always got made fun of how I said it, because I think when I said it growing up it was crowns. Yeah, but it's crayon. It smells like a crayon. Alright, I like that combo. Very natural. Then she goes in with her lip treatment, but I don't have that. So I'm just going to go in with a clear gloss or lip oil. This is the NYX Fat Oil Lip Drip in Clear, or it actually has a name, My Main. And just add a little bit. Okay. Alright guys, so here is the completed Hailey Bieber makeup look. I think I'm definitely going to have to add a little bit of setting powder down my T-zone, but I think it turned out pretty good for being like minimal makeup. Wow, she's onto something. I've only had a little bit of clear skin, but I think definitely adding that Lumi Glow Lotion added like a little bit of coverage underneath. I like the monochromatic blush look on the lids, the cheeks, and the lips. This is so cute. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for, you know, sitting down and doing a fun little get ready with me, chit-chatting about some things. If you like more of these videos, let me know down below. I would love to do more of these. I just want to know what you guys are more interested in, you know, just let me know. I would love to do it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!